Yo, what's up, guys? So you have been seeing pictures like this online lately. How you can design something like this by yourself. You can do this, of course, with your smartphone. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can do a professional picture like this, AI picture like this, by yourself with your smartphone. So, and I will be showing you the app at the end of this video. So let's dive into the video right now. All right, so this is the app right now. Of course, you can see this is the app interface. This is the app interface. This is everything about the app. So don't worry, I will tell you the the name of the app at the end of this video. And what I will tell you at the end of this video is that you have to learn how to do it by yourself first before going to download the app. So I will also tell you where to download the app, where to get the app in doing this by yourself. You can as well do this by yourself. So let's watch this video and let's go into the video right now. So this is the app interface. You can enhance video or image. You can do AI photos. You can do AI avatar. You can see. You can do AI avatar on this app. You can also do filter. You can do a selfie and do filter on this app. So the app is very okay, neat and cool to do anything you want to do. So now let's talk about the enhancement. Like you can just enhance a picture. So let me open my gallery. So I open my gallery and just open, I can just, let me check one of my picture here. Like I can enhance this picture right now with this app to make the picture more clear and more bold. Of course, you know you are not the only one that is doing this right now, so there will be some delay on the app, but it's worth it. So now you can see this is the old and this is the before. This is the before and this is the after. You can see. So this is actually so cool. So on this version 2 and version 3. Actually so cool to enhance. So this is one of the enhancements. So you can also do something. You can enhance this picture. Of course, you can see now. This is before and this is now. So this is not the main stuff that we want to do. Our main stuff is to generate all these AI acts, something like this. That's our main purpose. So we come to AI photos. So now these AI photos, now you have to pick images from your phone. You pick images and okay, let's continue. So now this is now you pick images that you want. You pick images that you want here. Like what, let's say pick a model. Our AI generator images of yourself with the overall style and composition. So you will have to choose the style you need. If it's male, if it's female, you have to choose the style you need, how you want your picture to look like. You can see how you want your picture to look like, or the background you need, something like that. So that is what you're also going to do. So you click on me, you can choose anything like this, like this. Oh, I've already uploaded an image before. That's why it's generating automatically now. You will upload an image before you choose model. So I've already uploaded an image before I do this video. That's why it's generating like this. So let's leave it. Let's this generate. You see, I've already uploaded my own image there. So it will generate for us. So let's just wait for 173 seconds. But if you are doing this for the first time, it will delay. It will take time for this to generate for the first time. It take like 10 to 15 minutes for this to generate. So these are what I've generated today. You can see these are some images I've generated today. So we are waiting for the image to come out. So it will be showing right now. So you will see what you are generating right now. I've already uploaded my own picture there. That's why it will not require you to upload again. All right, so you can see the image now. Of course, you can see the image now. So if you want to save it, you click on right to save. If you click on left, use delete. So you can click on, you can see now. You can see how the image is looking sharp. You can delete this one because I don't like it. You can delete this one. So you can generate more. You can generate more. And you can save it also as video. Of course, you can see it like that. You can save it also like as a video. So that's it. I hope you understand how this works very well now, and you can easily so here is where to choose gender. So if you're a female, you choose female, click on female and click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will ask you to upload 8 selfie. So once you upload the 8 selfie, you choose on the selfie you want to upload, and once you upload it, you now click on generate. You get me? So it will generate as that for you. You get me? So that's everything you need to know about this. So let me show you the app name so you can download the app and start using it for yourself. So the app name is Remini. So you go to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and click on Remini app. Just type Remini. You can see it here. So this is the app. And this app, one more thing, this app is in-app purchase. Once you download the app right now, you will have to subscribe 1,570 as of the time I'm doing this video. 1,570 in order for you to do, in order for you to edit, in order for you to enhance your picture, do your AI photos, you spend 1,570. But they will give you 7 days free trial. The 7 days free trial, you can add your card details, and the 7 days free trial, once the 7 days free trial is about to finish, you can remove your card details and cancel the subscription. So they will not withdraw the money from your account. They get me? And you will do your AI photos very well. So I hope this help. So if you like this video, you can subscribe on my channel right now for more videos like this. So do have a blessed day.